2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by INXS, Don't Change. And yeah, this is cool on the acoustic guitar. Let's just put a cape on 2, please. Standard tuning 2. So we're gonna have a G shape. 1, 2, 3. We got that chord. We got E minor. 1, 2. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. To C. Okay, so we can learn the melody in the beginning if we want to. That goes do, 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 ba, do, da, do, do. So that's just try to hit the G string when you play the G chord. That's the first note. And then put your second finger down on E. So that's second fret D string. And then we want to play while we're playing the G. So that's second fret A and pick the D, open D string. And end with open A to B. So that's open to. That's happening a couple of times. And then verse, G, E minor, A minor, C, A minor, C, so G. From G it's cool to go that F sharp there on the low E string. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. A minor, C. A minor, C. Ending. E minor to D and C. To D and C. 1, One more time. E minor to D and C, stay and C. Sorry, got something in my throat. Yeah, so that's the whole song. It's basically just G with a melody, E minor, A minor C, A minor C, G. So and then pop 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 pop. Thanks, folks. Very cool song. This works great on the acoustic. I might start doing this on the acoustic, singing it. All right, cool. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.